Okay, fine. Stop begging. I'm going to tell you the real secret to manifesting. It's not about adding more to your life. It's about having the guts to subtract the people and the versions of yourself that are crowding out your future. I'm going to say this with love. No one is coming to save you. Not a soulmate, not a pay raise, not a lucky break. But the moment that you realize that, you become dangerous because you're the one that you've been waiting for. Let's talk about why we're still looking for permission. You aren't failing at life, you're just navigating with a map that someone else drew for you. We keep calling it a repeating pattern, but it's actually just an outside influence that you haven't fucking evicted yet. We aren't doing something new either. We're remembering old. For thousands of years, literally thousands of years, women sat in circles to shell beans, men clothes, and raise children. The circle is our natural habitat. It's a no-fixing zone in a world that constantly tells women they need to be smaller, younger, better, blah, blah, blah. The circle is the only place where I'm struggling is met with a nod instead of a solution. When you hear another woman speak a secret you thought was yours alone, your nervous system finally exhales. We are healing this sister wound, the fear that other women are competition rather than a soft place to land. And we do this in the womb of the future, the new moon. Why the dark? Most people try to manifest when the moon is bright, but the real magic happens in the pitch black. The new moon is the void. It's the empty womb where life begins. It's the divine feminine, which is a high vibe ethereal energy. Sacred feminine is the grit. It's the woman who bleeds, who cries, who builds, and who stands in her truth. We are bringing that high vibe energy down into our physical, sacred collective. The new moon is our cosmic Monday morning. It's our chance to say, the last 28 days are over. What am I choosing now? So let's point out the outside influence. Why and how we yap about our desires, but our actions are still dictated by what our mothers, our bosses, or the algorithm expects of us. That's why the manifestation feels stuck. It's not yours. It's a misdirected desire. If you're going about it the wrong way, it's usually because you're trying to satisfy a soul hunger with a physical world snack. So let's name the ghost. We repeat patterns because we're afraid of the silence that comes when the pattern stops. The circle helps us sit in that silence together until a new, truer voice emerges. I'm not asking you to join our monthly circle, which is every new moon, to become a better wife, mother, worker. I'm asking you to join so you can finally meet you. So let's imagine a collective of women who no longer ask for permission. That's how we change the world, one new moon at a time. Sisterhood isn't a luxury. It's a survival strategy. We don't need to be healed to sit in this circle. You just need to be honest. The new moon doesn't ask the sun for light. It trusts its own darkness. Can you do the same?